In the May 2024 release of Premiere Pro, there's an exciting new feature that allows you to visually add fades and transitions to audio clips. Let's see how it works. I've downloaded these 2 videos and 2 music tracks from the links in the description, imported them into Premiere Pro, and dropped them on the timeline. Let's click play to preview the clip. As you may have noticed, the transition between the audio clips is not smooth. It's a sudden transition. So let's add a fade transition using the new visual fade handles. But to better see what's happening, let's expand the audio track by double-clicking on an empty area here on the left-hand side, or by simply expanding this line. Now, if you hover the cursor over an audio clip, you'll see these small squares at the beginning and at the end of the audio clip. If you think these are just random squares, then you're wrong. You're just a random square. These are actually interactive fade handles that you can drag to create a fade out, a fade in, or a crossfade between 2 audio clips. And if you think you can only move them left and right to control the duration of the fade, then you're wrong again. Because you can also move them up or down to control the slope of the fade, how the fade starts and how it ends. If you hold down Alt or Option while dragging, it's gonna make it easier for you to drag in one direction, either left, right to control the duration, or up, down to control the slope. Alternatively, you can simply drag the transition by its left or right edge to control the duration. The crossfade here works the same way, but if you hold down the Shift key while dragging, it's gonna move only one side of the crossfade. Release the Shift key and you'll be moving both sides at the same time. To remove a fade effect, click on a fade handle and press backspace or delete. And now if we preview the video again, you will notice the fade transition. This is how you can fade out your audio clips using the new interactive fade.